We are so excited you and your family and friends will be joining us for the 2018 CSU Commencement Ceremony. CSU is happy to announce the addition of a Commencement app to help you and your guests navigate all commencement activities. This video will walk you through the steps to locate, download, access, and navigate the app. Let's get started. The first step in the process is locating and downloading the app. The CSU app is hosted by Attendify, which is compatible with both Apple and Android platforms. For this tutorial, we will be using an iPhone to demonstrate. Open your smartphone's App Store. Use the search bar to search for Attendify and download the app. There should be no cost to download the Attendify app. Once the Attendify app has finished downloading, open the app. It will ask you if you would like to receive notifications from Attendify. Select Allow so that you can receive notifications from CSU. The next step will be to sign up and create an Attendify profile. At the bottom of the opening screen, select Sign Up, complete the prompted fields, and accept the terms and conditions and hit Sign Up. You will then be taken to a page to complete your profile. You can include as much or as little information as you would like, and you will be able to edit your profile later. Please note that anything you include will be visible to everyone using the app. Now that your profile is set up, it's time to search for commencement. Type CSU in the search bar, and the app should be the only result that shows up. Click on the Commencement app, select Join, and then enter the event code which is provided to you in either your registration confirmation email or the email announcing the app, and you're in. Now we'll take a look around the app. The first screen you will see will be the app's activity stream. This page functions similarly to a Facebook newsfeed. You can see who has joined, post messages and pictures, and add comments to someone else's post. This is a great area if you are looking for additional guest tickets for commencement. In the upper left corner, click on the 3 horizontal lines to access the app's menu and navigation screen. You can edit your profile, add a photo, or adjust app settings by clicking on the profile photo at the top. The welcome screen contains a message from the Commencement Committee with important information pertaining to the commencement activities. An element of gamification has been added to the app that gives you a chance to win a diploma frame. You can earn points for various activities within the app. Access the People section and select Leaderboard View to see who is in the lead. The People section is also where you can see a complete listing of everyone utilizing the app along with contact information, which is a great tool for networking with your fellow graduates. The Schedule section is where you and your guest will find a breakdown of all commencement activities for both Thursday and Friday. Entries are listed for both graduates and guests and contain additional information for each event. You can mark an event as a favorite and set reminders to make sure you are where you need to be at all times. Keep checking this section as we will continue to add events as they are finalized. You can learn more about the 2018 commencement speaker, J.R. Martinez, by reading his biography. You won't want to miss his inspirational message. The vendor section highlights the vendors that will be on site for you or your guests to purchase flowers, CSU swag, or forgotten regalia items. More information will be posted when the vendors determine what they will be offering. We have also added a list of hotels that have partnered with CSU to provide discounted room rates during commencement. Make sure to pay attention to the booking deadlines in order to take advantage of these offerings. The dining section provides listings of CSU staff favorites in Foley, Gulf Shores, and Orange Beach. And if you are looking for things to do, check out the area attraction section for our suggestion of activities for the family. We have also added additional sections that contain information you may have questions on. The app will be continuously updated with new information. However, if you have any questions, please feel free to send a message to Nikki Cooper, and I will be happy to assist you. We look forward to seeing you all here in October.